Hey socialites, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Ariel. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. Who knew Bath & Body Works was having such a huge sale today? I typically wait to do this sort of haul when they have the $4.95 sale. But AJ needed a couple things. She needed some lotion. She has very sensitive skin, and their lotion, which I'm going to show you guys today, is really good for her sensitive skin. So I went in there to get those two items and realized nearly everything in the store was on sale. And so I was like, you know what, why not go ahead and do my Christmas shopping today? Because I also had a 25% coupon in the mail, and I had a 25% off coupon in the app, so I could share with a friend. So let me show you guys what I just picked up. We'll start off with the smallest bag. And first thing is the lavender and vanilla Lux Bath. Now this is something that I thought was discontinued. I was so excited when I saw this in the store because this is my go-to, my most used bubble bath. The bubbles feel so soft and creamy on your skin, and it makes the best lather as well. I love this stuff, but I hadn't seen it. The lavender and vanilla one is my favorite, and I hadn't seen it in like well over a year to a year and a half. It has vitamin E, aloe, and shea cocoa butter in it, and it smells really good, like lavender and vanilla. And so I got 4 of them. So happy that I saw this. I really thought it was discontinued. I take more baths than showers, so that makes sense for me. I use it every single time I get in the tub. That's like an almost everyday use for me. They also have the bath soap, which is like the bath beads, in the same lavender and vanilla. So I picked up 2 of the bath beads. And then this is the stuff that I picked up for AJ. So I picked up her the Sensitive Skin Colloidal Oatmeal Moisturizing Body Wash, 2 of these, as well as the Sensitive Skin Body Butter, which she really loves. So I picked her up 3 of these. And she usually goes through one of these like every month to month and a half. So this will last her like a few months. And then she uses this sometimes too. So I picked up one of the Sensitive Skin body lotions. Now this one isn't like as thick and hydrating as the body butter. This is like more lightweight if you don't like that thicker, because it's not oily. The body butter's not oily, but this one's more lightweight. And so I just picked her up one of these. Now these next 2 items is something I had never tried before. I didn't even see it over there, but the young lady who was working in the front of the store, she was like, excuse me, I noticed that you were picking up a lot of the aromatherapy stuff. Have you ever tried this one called Water? She said it's the best body cream in the store, you gotta try it. So she got a little bit, put it on my hand, and I was like, wow, it's so fresh. It feels so soft and plush on the skin. So it's this body butter. If you guys have ever tried this before, it's so fresh. The fragrance is watery, clean, and fresh, y'all. It's just very fresh. That's the best way to explain it. And it's like a mood booster. Like when I smelled it on my hand, you immediately feel like invigorated a little bit. And so I was like, sign me up. It says ultra hydration and hyaluronic acid. It feels really good. It actually feels better than you would think that it would be the same exact body butter, but something about this one feels even better on the skin. So I was like, girl, for $5.95 and the 25% off. Last bag, you guys, this is Getaway Soiree. So you know how Bath & Body Works has the fine fragrance mists that are kind of like the dupes for the more higher end or the more expensive fragrances. I have the Covered in Roses, which is supposed to be like a dupe for Delina from Parfums de Marly. I love it. I love it. I'm a new Delina fan. I've always been a Delina exclusive fan, but recently I got Delina in my scent box order, and my nose has definitely elevated because I also love Delina, and Covered in Roses smells so close to it. It smells divine, so ladylike. But this Getaway Soiree, I was picking up some of the other scents that's in that line. Y'all, this one gives Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, which is one of my favorite fragrances. I love Soleil Blanc, and this one really gives you the vibes of it. immediately that's what I thought when I sprayed this. I didn't know what the dupe was to this, but that's what I get from this. So I picked up one of these, and I told you guys about platinum on a video not too long ago, maybe last month when this came out. This is fairly new. So when I smelled this in store, they were having like the body cream sale originally when it first came out. So the sprays weren't on sale, so I ended up getting the small size because I had like a coupon for a free like $16.95 and lower. And this one's $18.95, so I ended up getting a small one. Y'all, I've almost used it up. It smells divine. This one has notes of sparkling bergamot, silver blooms, and patchouli musk. It smells so good. You wouldn't think it came from Bath and Body Works. So I picked up 3 of these, one for myself and then 2 to gift. And when they had that sale, all of the body creams in the platinum, which is why I went to the store in the first place, they were sold out everywhere. And so they had them in store today. Everything was $5.95, y'all. So they had them in store today. So I picked up one for myself and then 2 for gifts. So platinum also comes in perfumes. And they have a big size perfume, which is like a 50 or 100 ml. Now the large perfumes was like the only thing that wasn't included in the body care sale today. But they had the small perfumes that are the 7 ml little spray, and they're sprays, not roller balls. We love a spray. And so I picked up 3 platinums, which 1 for me and 2 to gift. And finally picked this up, which I had been seeing since it came out, and it smells so good. A few of the socialites told me about it, but I smelled it in store as well, and for some reason I kept missing it. Every time it would go on sale, my stores wouldn't have it or it would sell out quick. This is Brightest Bloom, which was like the Bridgerton collection. It smells so good. So I picked up 1 of the fine fragrance mists and 1 of the body creams. Now this has notes of lily of the valley, jasmine, sandback, garden, carnations, and fresh cedar wood. It smells so much more expensive than what it is, y'all. Like, I felt like I was winning today. Bath and Body Works, over the last few years, they've really elevated their scents and taken it to the next level. But I would say over the past 1 year, like just 2024 by itself, they have just reached new heights. And some of this stuff even has lasting power. And if you pair it with like the body cream and the spray, or spray it on your clothes, you can get some decent longevity with it. Now this one's new to me as well. It was towards the front of the store and I picked it up and it just smells so soft and pretty. This one's called Snowflakes and Cashmere. And I picked these up for myself, the body cream and the fine fragrance mist. And this has notes of vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods, and frosted clementine. It smells so nice. This smells really nice. Oh, warm and sweet, and just, I can see this being a good one to like sweeten up some woodsy fragrances as well, but it's so yummy. So this one I actually picked up for AJ. This is gonna go with her body care stuff and I'm gonna give it to her for Christmas. I may give her like 1 lotion now and then the rest of it for Christmas. This one is Perfect in Pink, the perfume. So it comes in a big size, but I got the travel size, the 7 ml for AJ. These smell good. Now this is one of their newer scents and it smelled nice. I didn't want it for myself, but I felt like it was something that AJ would like. It smells pretty though. I would wear it, but being that I have so many fragrances and I wasn't like completely blown away like I was with the other ones I showed you guys, I think she would like it. And it's pink. She's really into pink and purple. So, and I feel like I'm missing one thing because I picked up the bourbon. Now this is a man's cologne and it smells really good. It's the bourbon. Even the men's colognes are on sale for $5.95 too. Bourbon smell good, but I picked up another one called Noir because the Noir actually, to me, the Noir smells even better than bourbon. And y'all, there was one called Vanilla Noir for men that smelled incredible. But they didn't have it in the perfume. They only had like the bar soap, the body wash, and something else. They didn't have it in any type of spray. But the Vanilla Noir was like my favorite out of the whole men's line. That's the haul, you guys. I just had to show y'all because I was out earlier today. I had to go to Neiman's this morning. I was there when they opened. By the way, I saw T.I. in Neiman's this morning. He was coming down the escalator. But yeah, I was there early this morning, and then I had to go pick up some PR packages from the P.O. box. And I posted in the community tab that they had this sale, and I just ended up doing this whole haul that I didn't even know I was gonna do. So comment down below, let me know, did you guys visit the sale today? Are you gonna visit the sale? What is your favorite scent at Bath & Body Works at the moment? If you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. Just get to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars.